Hello everyone and welcome to Forever Gardening. Now today we are going to go through germinating seeds in Ziploc bags. This is currently my garden, which is full of weeds and also some other produce, luckily. It's growing quite well, so it's almost time to start the spring and summer crop. We've got several different seeds this season, which will bring our total variety up to 117 different types of seeds within our garden. So as you can see, my peas are almost taller than I am, which wouldn't be hard. So why don't let's get into it. Now what you need to do is you need to get some water and something small that you can actually put it onto the toweling paper with, because you only need small amounts. 4 sheets of toweling paper, fold it in half, then you get a little bit of water, put it on one half. I think we need just a little bit more, put it in there. Now this time we are actually using marigold seeds. So I haven't tried this with marigold seeds yet, but I'm hoping it should improve the germination rate by at least 50%. Marigold seeds can be quite temperamental in dry soil. Once they are fully established, they are drought tolerant. Beforehand, they are not. So at the moment, I'm just putting as many seeds as I can fit on there, and then I will use tweezers when they germinate. So now we're going to fold over the other side. You're going to press it down because you want to make sure water absorbs into the other side. And also that the seeds have full contact with the toweling paper. Seeds don't require any to little nutrients, they just need a little bit of oxygen to actually germinate. So we're just going to make sure that it's wet in all areas. So now that we're done with that one, these are ones I've previously done. So we had sunflower, fennelgreek, corn and chickpeas. They are all 3 days old, and then I sealed them and put them in bags. Once you've put them in the bags, make sure that you squeeze out all air. Now you just need to put them in a area of your house that stays at constant temperature. So for me, that is in the kitchen, in my basket that I actually have on top of my potatoes. So this is actually my seed collection basket and my produce basket. Comes in handy. The garden's a wonderful way to get creative. Happy gardening, everyone.